Money, money, money. In today's video, I'm going to cover two things. Why are you facing money crisis in your life? And second, how can you attract more money? Well, my name is Divya Srivastav and I'm a mindset coach and a business and a leadership expert. I request you to take notes because what I'm about to tell you will blow your mind and it will also help you to increase the flow of money in your life. One of the major reasons people suffer from money crisis is due to their limiting beliefs about money. Yes, limiting beliefs. Today we'll discuss why you have these limiting beliefs at the first place and what are the few steps that you need to take in order to get over these limiting beliefs. Now, you'll ask me, Divya, what do you mean by belief? What are these beliefs? Beliefs are the statements that we consider to be true about ourselves or others. They are neither true nor false, but they form the very basis of how we perceive things. We acquire these beliefs at a very young age from our parents and a society we live in. For example, let me make a few statements about money here. Money doesn't grow on trees. पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता. मैं बहुत गरीब हूं लेकिन मेरा नेचर बहुत अच्छा है. ऑल रिच पीपल्स आर क्रूक्स. मुझे कभी एक अच्छी जॉब नहीं मिल पाएगी. मैं कभी अच्छा पैसा नहीं कमा पाऊंगा या कमा पाऊंगी. अरे पैसे जितने फास्ट मेरे पास आते हैं उससे जल्दी मेरे पास से चले जाते हैं. मैं जो बिजनेस कर रहा हूं मैं उसका इतना ज्यादा चार्ज नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि लोग देंगे ही नहीं मुझे ये पैसा. मेरा काम हमेशा उधारी में ही चलता है. मैं हमेशा उधारी में रहता हूं. अरे जो लोग पैसा कमाते हैं वो लोग तो चीटर्स होते हैं. जो चीट करते हैं वही पैसे कमा सकते हैं. मैं तो पैसे कमाना डिजर्व ही नहीं करता. और एक पेनी जो मैंने सेव किया है ना, यही मेरा मनी है जो मैंने कमाया है. हमेशा सेव करो. और पैसा जो है ना वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क से आता है. एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. I am sure you would have heard these statements many times in your life. Now let me ask you one thing, two things. How do you feel when I speak these statements? I'm sure some of them you must have heard while growing up. I have two questions here. How many of you believe that these beliefs, these statements belong to you, that you believe in them? And then my second question is, do you really think that by believing in above statements, you'll be able to bring money? Well, I believe the answer is no. All these sentences above are our own limiting thinking patterns. Perhaps it is what your family believed about money because your family's belief stays with you unless you consciously release them. So what to do next? How can we get over them? Is the question. So here I am going to give you 4 steps that will help you attract more money in your life. Well, step 1. First of all, stop concentrating on bills or the lack or debt from now. Abhi se chhod do aap. Accept that you deserve to be rich. Yes, you deserve to be rich. Know that what you concentrate on increases manifold. जिस चीज पे आप ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई करती है. जब आप फोकस रिच बनने पे करते हैं तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिचनेस अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. You start attracting ideas and opportunities and situations and people that can help you to get closer to your goals of becoming rich. So the first step is accept that you deserve to be rich. Okay? Now the second step. Second step is be grateful for what you have and you will find that increases. Bless with love all the things that you have in your life. सारी चीजों के लिए एहसानमंद होइए आप. ग्रेटफुल होइए आप. जैसे आपका घर, आपका टेलीफोन, आपके कपड़े, आपका जॉब या आपका बिजनेस, द मनी यू हैव, द फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली, ये इंटरनेट कनेक्शन जिसके थ्रू हम आपसे बात कर पा रहे हैं, or anything and everything else which you enjoy in this incredible planet. Just be grateful to everything. It will help you increase your money. तीसरी चीज, make room for new. Yes, clean all the cluttered spaces in your house. आपके refrigerators, आपके cupboards and anything which is cluttered. You know why? Because cluttered closet means cluttered mind. एक cluttered closet का मतलब ये है कि आपका दिमाग में बहुत सारा clutter भरा हुआ है, ठीक है? As you clean this closet, आप start saying to yourself, I am cleaning the closet of my own mind. Yes, I am cleaning the closet of my own mind. You know, the universe loves the symbolic gesture. When you do this, you will notice that your mind will gain more clarity. आपको एकदम से ही ज़्यादा clarity आने लगेगी और ये भी आपको help करेगा wealth attract करने में. You know, when they say clarity is power, this is what they mean by it. चौथा, practice affirmation. Yes, affirmations. अब ये affirmations क्या होते हैं? Well, affirmations वो statements होते हैं जो आप बार बार repeat करते हैं, आप अपने मन में बार बार उनको दोहराते हैं जब तक कि ये आपका एक belief ना बन जाए. जैसे कि टोनी रॉबिन्स का एक affirmation है wealth को लेके, जो कि है God's wealth is circulating in my life. His wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. All my needs, desires, and goals are met instantaneously by infinite intelligence. For I am one with God, and God is everything. I repeat, God's wealth is circulating in my life. His wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. All my needs, desires, and goals are met instantaneously by infinite intelligence. For I am one with God, and God is everything. Let me repeat it once more. God's wealth is circulating in my life. His wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. All my needs, desires, and goals are met instantaneously by infinite intelligence. For I am one with God, and God is everything. Though these steps may sound simplistic, but I request you to practice these tips for next 32 days without any gap to notice visible changes in your financial life. Please do not miss a single day without practicing. Well, in my next video, I am going to give you a few more tips to achieve abundance mindset. Till then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.